this is just a quick drumming tutorial to help you get going on some of your drumming patterns that you're going to be playing. A couple of things. You want to make sure that you alternate hands. Therefore, you're going to start your patterns with your strong hand. So I'm a right-handed drummer, so I'm going to start my pattern with my right hand, and everything that comes after that pattern is going to be with my weak hand and my strong hand. So it might look like this. Always going to start with that strong hand. It's going to give me a good sound to start off with. Also, we want to make sure that we get a couple of different sounds on our instrument. If we're using a bucket, I can use the top of it. I can use this side or the edge right here. I can also use the definite side of the drum head here. Now, when you have a note, you're going to make sure you're playing on one of those places of the bucket. But if you have a rest anywhere in it, what you're going to do, I encourage my students all the time, have your hands completely apart. Don't have it anywhere near. There's not a chance that they can play on it if their hands are very far apart. Don't be afraid to try having the students play loud and soft to create a contrast in the music, and just have fun. Don't be afraid to laugh along with the kids. You're going to make mistakes, they're going to make mistakes. Just have fun with the kids. Okay, you enjoy.